Raindrops tap the window pane, boots by the door. You call my name, got your kite and your crooked braids, but the sky turns silver gray. Rain, 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 go away. Little Minnie wants to play. I got my chalk and my jump rope too, so eyes the world all shades of blue. Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Hear me singing at the gate. Little Minnie wants to play. Puddles bloom along the street. You press your nose to the foggy. Draw a smile on the cloudy glass. Ask me, will this pouring pass? Rain, 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 go away. Little Minnie wants to play. I got my chalk and my jump rope too, so why's the world all shades of blue? Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Hear me singing at the gate. Little Minnie wants to play. Maybe when the storm is through, we'll find rainbows in the blue. But right now, all I can say is I just wanna play. Rain, 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 go away. Little Minnie wants to play. Got my chalk and my jump rope too, so why's the world all shades of blue? Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Hear me singing at the gate. Little Minnie wants to play. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Click clack. 3, 4, knocking on the door. Rat tat. 5, 6, picking up sticks in the yard. 7, 8, piling on a plate, talking hard. 9, 10, count again. Start it over, bring a friend, skip and jump it to the end. One more time now. 9, 10, count again. Spin around and shout it then. If you miss a number, then we just count again.